With reusable blocks, you can save a block or a group of blocks to use later on any page or post on your site. For example, let's say you have a paragraph block that you often fill with the same text, and then you place it at the end of each post. Instead of recreating the same content every time, you can save it as a reusable block. First, select the block. Then, click the Options button on the right side of the toolbar and select Add to Reusable Blocks. Enter a name to help you recognize this block later, and then click the Save button. And now your reusable block is ready for use in other posts on your site. So the next time you're writing a post, you can add the reusable block with just a couple of clicks. First, open the block inserter and select the Reusable tab. Then, click the block to add it to your post. One of the best things about reusable blocks is that any changes you make will automatically update all the places where you've added that reusable block. And reusable blocks don't have to be a single block. It can actually be a group of blocks. So for example, I'll click the Block Inserter button and then add a Social Icons block. When you're done making changes, click the Publish button and be sure that the reusable block you've updated is selected before you click the Save button. And now, this reusable block will be automatically updated anywhere it appears on the site. To view and edit all the reusable blocks on your site, click the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Manage Reusable Blocks. Here, you can edit, delete, or export a reusable block for use on another site. And again, any changes you make to a reusable block will be applied to every place it appears on your site. But sometimes you may want to add a reusable block as a starting point and then make changes that only apply to that particular page or post. In the Options menu, click the link that says Convert to Regular Blocks. And now you can edit these blocks just like any other block on the page. So if you're adding the same content to your pages and posts over and over again, reusable blocks can save you a tremendous amount of time. For more help with reusable blocks, please visit WordPress.com/support.